Welcome back. We're going to start in Matthew chapter 24. We read this last week. Let us remember verse 42, Matthew 24, verse 42. Therefore keep watch, because you do not know on what day your Lord will come. You see, that is what we're doing on this channel. We are keeping watch. We are educating the masses about what is happening in the world around us and how this corresponds to the final days, or the lead up to the final days, how prophecy is being answered in the world around us. Revelation chapter 16, verse 15. Look, I come like a thief. Blessed is the one who stays awake and remains clothed, so as not to go naked and be shamefully exposed. Here we are warned again to stay awake and remain clothed, to keep watching and keep your spiritual clothes on, to keep your faith strong. Ezekiel chapter 3, verse 16 through 27. Ezekiel's task as watchman. At the end of the 7 days, the word of the Lord came to me. Son of man, I have made you a watchman for the people of Israel. So hear the word I speak, and give them warning from me. When I say to a wicked person, you will surely die, and you do not warn them, or speak out to dissuade them from their evil ways in order to save their life, that wicked person will surely die for their sin, and I will hold you, Ezekiel, accountable for their blood. But if you do not warn the wicked person, and they do not turn from their wickedness or from their evil ways, they will die for their sin, but you will have saved yourself. Again, when a righteous person turns from their righteousness and does evil, and I put a stumbling block before them, they will die. Since you did not warn them, they will die for their sin. The righteous things that person did will not be remembered, and I will hold you accountable for their blood. But if you do warn the righteous person not to sin, and they do not sin, they will surely live because they took warning, and you will have saved yourself. Ezekiel. The hand of the Lord was on me there, and he said to me, get up and go out to the plain, and there I will speak to you. So I got up and went out to the plain, and the glory of the Lord was standing there, like the glory I had seen by the Kibar River. And I fell face down. Then the Spirit came into me and raised me to my feet. He spoke to me and said, go shut yourself inside your house. And you, son of man, they will tie with ropes. You will be bound so that you cannot go out among the people. I will make your tongue stick to the roof of your mouth so that you will be silent and unable to rebuke them, for they are a rebellious people. But when I speak to you, I will open your mouth, and you shall say to them, this is what the sovereign Lord says. Whoever will listen, let them listen, and whoever will refuse, let them refuse, for they are a rebellious people. Today, as I look at Western culture, I find camaraderie with Ezekiel. Our Western country, our Western Christianity, the Western people, society in general, are all a rebellious people. We have lost our ways in most of our churches. Our society, for sure, has lost its way. It values things that are just ludicrous. Today, we're going to be speaking about artificial intelligence. But let it be known that I sit here and do what I do to warn my brethren that times are short, that the Lord our God, the King of Kings and Lord of Lords, is soon to return. When I say soon, I don't mean tomorrow. I mean in the next few years, 20 years, maybe 40 years. We're going to be learning about technology and how this is moving us to a place of being able to eat off the tree of life here in this flesh, in this sinful flesh. And God cannot allow that. So as technology progresses, as the ability for human beings to become immortal in this sinful flesh becomes a reality, and it is becoming a reality, then we need to be on guard. We need to be on watch. We need to be looking at the prophecies and seeing where we are in time so that we can warn others, so that we can love properly, so that we can warn people. So what is artificial intelligence? Now, I was working on this video and started asking these questions, and I realized there is some place that could answer these questions, and I'm curious to see what it says. For those of you who don't know, there is a artificial intelligence program out there called ChatGPT-3. It is a narrow AI, and it is very advanced. When you speak to it, it is like you're speaking to a person. When I say speak, I mean type. So we're going to go through a conversation that I had with this artificial intelligence about artificial intelligence. I asked, what is artificial intelligence? ChatGPT says, artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the abilities of machines to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes a range of techniques and approaches, such as machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. At its core, AI is about building machines that can learn from data and experience and make decisions based on that learning. This can involve training algorithms on large data sets, providing feedback to help the algorithms improve, and developing systems that can adapt to new situations and environments. AI is used in a wide range of applications, from virtual assistants and self-driving cars to medical diagnosis and financial analysis. It has the potential to transform many aspects of our lives, from the way we work and communicate to the way we interact with the world around us. While AI has made significant progress in recent years, there is still much work to be done to develop more intelligent and capable systems. Researchers in the field of AI are constantly exploring new approaches and techniques with the goal of creating machines that can think, reason, and learn like humans. This should bother you already. Next, I asked, what is the history of AI? ChatGPT answered, the history of artificial intelligence, AI, dates back to the mid-20th century, although the roots of AI can be traced back much further. Here are some key milestones in the history of AI. In 1943, Warren McCulloch and Walter Pitts published a paper proposing a model of artificial neurons, laying the foundation for neural networks. In 1950, Alan Turing proposed the Turing test, a way to measure a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to or indistinguishable from that of a human. In 1956, John McCarthy organized the Dartmouth Conference, which is widely regarded as the birth of AI as a field of study. In the 1960s and 70s, AI researchers focused on developing rule-based systems, which would make decisions based on predefined rules. In the 1980s and 1990s, researchers developed machine learning algorithms, such as decision trees and neural networks. Remember neural networks, that's important, which could learn from data and make predictions based on that learning. In the 2000s and 2010s, advancing in computing power and the availability of large data sets fueled a resurgence of interest in AI, leading to breakthroughs in areas such as speech recognition, computer vision, and natural language processing. Today, AI is used in a wide range of applications, from virtual assistants and self-driving cars to medical diagnosis and financial analysis. The field of AI continues to evolve rapidly with ongoing research and development aimed at making machines more intelligent and capable. I said, oh, interesting. What is a neural network? ChatGPT replied, a neural network is a type of machine learning model that is designed to simulate the way the human brain works by processing information through layers of interconnected nodes or neurons. These nodes perform simple mathematical computations on the input data, and the results are then passed on to the next layer of nodes for further processing. A neural network can learn to recognize patterns and relationships in data, and it can be trained to perform a wide variety of tasks, including image recognition, natural language processing, and prediction. Neural networks are used in many applications, including self-driving cars, voice assistants, and fraud detection systems. There are different types of neural networks, including feed-forward neural networks, recurrent neural networks, and convolutional neural networks, each with its own architecture and specific use cases. Overall, neural networks are powerful tools for solving complex problems that involve large amounts of data and can adapt and learn from new information over time. So these are based on neural networks. In your brain right now as we speak, you have a biological neural network. This is how the brain functions. You have neurons, and there are these wires, if you will, that connect these neurons all together. And as a group, thought happens. As a group, the functions of the body happen. Some areas are used more specifically for some things than other things, but it is a team effort. Together, all those neurons in there make up your physical brain, your physical body, etc. So you run on a neural network. I asked another question. I said, okay, neural networks. I said, does artificial intelligence run on these? ChatGPT said, yes. Artificial intelligence, AI, often relies on neural networks as a key component of its algorithms. Neural networks are a popular approach for building machine learning models, which are used to train AI systems to recognize patterns in data and make predictions or decisions based on that information. Neural networks can be used to perform a wide range of AI tasks, from speech recognition and natural language processing to computer vision and robotics. They are particularly useful in situations where traditional rule-based programming approaches may be too complex or impractical. In recent years, there has been a surge of interest in deep learning, a subset of machine learning that uses deep neural networks with many layers. Deep learning has achieved remarkable success in areas such as image recognition, natural language processing, and game playing, and it has helped to drive many of the recent advances in AI. I said, oh, okay. I asked, what is narrow and general artificial intelligence? ChatGPT replied, narrow AI, also known as weak AI, refers to artificial intelligence systems that are designed to perform specific tasks within a limited domain. These systems are often developed using machine learning algorithms such as neural networks or decision trees, and are trained on large data sets of specific types of data. Examples of narrow AI systems include image recognition, speech recognition, and recommendation engines. In contrast, general AI, also known as strong AI, refers to artificial intelligence systems that can perform any intellectual task that a human can do. These systems would be capable of understanding and reasoning about a wide range of topics, learning from new experiences, and adapting to new situations. General AI is still largely a hypothetical concept, and no system has yet been developed that meets this definition. The development of general AI is a long-term goal of many researchers in the field of artificial intelligence. While there have been significant advances in narrow AI in recent years, achieving general AI remains a significant challenge due to the complexity and breadth of human intelligence. This is a good time to make sure that we understand. ChatGPT-3, it was taught with information contained on the internet up through year 2021. So the stuff in the last year and a half is not in its brain. It was not trained on that stuff. And so we have to keep that in mind as it is answering questions. There are some advances that it is not aware of yet because it was not trained with that data set. General AI is the one we should be fearful of. I said, what are the dangers of AI to humans? ChatGPT-3 says, while there are many potential benefits to artificial intelligence, AI, there are also several potential dangers that need to be considered. Here are some of the main risks associated with AI. Number one, unintended consequences. AI systems can be unpredictable, and they may behave in ways that were not anticipated by their creators. This could lead to unintended consequences that are difficult to predict or control. Number two, bias and discrimination. AI systems can be trained on biased data, which can lead to discrimination against certain groups of people. This could be particularly problematic in areas such as hiring, lending, and criminal justice. Number three, job displacement. As AI becomes more capable, it may automate many jobs that are currently done by humans, leading to job displacement and unemployment. Number four, security risks. AI systems could be vulnerable to hacking or cyber attacks, which could have serious consequences for individuals and organizations. Number five, existential risk. There is a small but real possibility that advanced AI systems could pose an existential risk to humanity, either by causing unintended harm or by acting in ways that are difficult to control. To mitigate these risks, it is important to develop AI systems that are transparent, explainable, and accountable. This involves ensuring that AI systems are built with safety and ethical considerations in mind, and that they are subject to appropriate regulation and oversight, which they are not. Regulation takes years and years. The field of AI is moving exceptionally fast. This is happening at speeds no one believed that it could happen. Ray Kurzweil believes that the singularity is now going to happen possibly by 2030. This is currently 7 years from now. This is when machine learning, general AI, becomes smarter than human beings. This is when it becomes superhuman. This is when he says we need to watch out. It is also important to involve a diverse range of stakeholders, including experts in ethics, law, and social science, in the development and deployment of AI systems. I said, okay, what are the potential benefits of AI for humans? ChatGPT responded, artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to bring many benefits to humans, both in the short term and in the long term. Here are some of the main benefits of AI. Number one, increased efficiency. AI systems can automate many tasks that are currently done by humans, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. This could free up time for people to focus on more creative or strategic tasks. So when you become unemployed, you get to focus on more creative or strategic tasks. Yay. Number two, improved accuracy. AI systems can process large amounts of data quickly and accurately, leading to more accurate predictions and insights. Number three, personalization. AI systems can analyze individual preferences and behaviors to provide personalized recommendations and experiences, or one day prophesy about what's going to happen tomorrow to you. Number four, better decision-making. AI systems can analyze complex data and provide insights that can help humans make better decisions in areas such as healthcare, finance, and business. We are seeing some of that today. Number five, improved safety. AI systems can be used to monitor and control hazardous environments, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. Number six, advancements in science and medicine. AI can be used to analyze complex data in areas such as genomics, drug discovery, and medical imaging, leading to new discoveries and treatments. We have seen some of those today. We have an AI program that does protein folding, and biologists are using this to discover crazy, interesting things about human beings and other things in this world, drugs, etc. Number seven, environmental sustainability. AI can be used to optimize resource use and reduce waste in areas such as agriculture, transportation, and energy. Overall, AI has the potential to transform many aspects of our lives, from the way we work and communicate to the way we address some of the world's biggest challenges. However, it is important to ensure that AI is developed and used in a responsible and ethical manner, with appropriate consideration given to issues such as privacy, bias, and transparency. I then asked ChatGPT what advancements have been made through AI in the last few years. Artificial intelligence has made many significant breakthroughs in recent years. Here are some of the most notable examples. Number one, machine learning. Machine learning is a type of AI that involves training algorithms to make predictions or decisions based on data. This approach has led to significant advances in areas such as computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. Number two, deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that involves training artificial neural networks with many layers. This approach has led to breakthroughs in areas such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and game playing. Number three, robotics. Robotics is an area of AI that involves building machines that can sense, reason, and act in the physical world. This has led to advancements in areas such as manufacturing, healthcare, and space exploration. Number four, generative models. Generative models are AI systems that can create new data based on patterns in existing data. This approach has led to breakthroughs in areas such as image and text generation, music composition, and drug discovery. It can learn. It can look at data and then make new data and use new data in its computations to figure out the next set, to figure out the next answer. Number five, reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning that involves training agents to make decisions based on feedback from their environment. This approach has led to breakthroughs in areas such as game playing, robotics, and autonomous driving. These breakthroughs have led to many practical applications of AI, from virtual assistants and self-driving cars to medical diagnosis and financial analysis. They have also opened up new areas of research and exploration, as researchers continue to push the boundaries of what AI can do. Then I asked, is facial recognition one of artificial intelligence's breakthroughs? We are going to continue this in the next video, so be on the lookout for that. If you have not liked and subscribed to this channel, with great wisdom comes great sorrow, please do that. It makes a difference in the algorithms. And please share this. There are folks out there who do not know, who really have stovepiped themselves of information and really have no understanding of where we are right now in this world, why we are here, how we got here, where we're going, or that Christ's return is somewhere in our near future, in humanity's near future.